Part 2. How to cook paella. Two versions.
Ito, ang isang kilong malagkit, mga kulang-kulang 7 gatang. Mga 6 and 3/4 pa. And then, isa-set aside. Kasi ang tubig na gagamitin ko dito, yung mga broth, pinagkuluan ng mga meat natin para mas malasa.
I put 8 cups of meat broth into a 7 cups of rice. I fried the chicken, beef, pork, chorizo, and boiled the shrimp, shells, and crab. First version, fried brown rice paella. My husband only eat brown rice and not a fan of seafood, so I cooked his paella separately. Saute garlic, onion, bell pepper, and carrots. Add half of the meat and other ingredients. The rest are for topping. Add cooked brown rice and fry it. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika, and saffron. Dissolve shrimp cubes into meat broth. Cover it for a few minutes.
Tada, ha ha ha, yummy.